What is up, guys? I'm doing an unboxing of the Xbox 360 stuff that I got from eStarland.com. I will put a link in the description to the site. This is my first time ordering from them, and I got a bunch of stuff, so let's start out. I unboxed it already because that was a pain in the fucking ass to get that shit out of the box. I got a 3-month live membership. Oh, before I start, I owned Xbox before, so this is not my first Xbox. I went from Xbox, switched to PS3, didn't like PS3 at all, not to hate on PS3, didn't like it at all, switched back to Xbox, and didn't have to pay a dime. I traded all of my stuff into this site, and I didn't know if it was going to be legit or not at first. I traded my Xbox in, my PS3, and I got a ton of credit, guys. If you want to go here to trade it in. They give you so much more bang for your buck than GameStop. They gave me like double what GameStop was going to give me, and they don't even, and like even with the GameStop like deals, like, oh, I'll give you 50% more, 30% more if you're trading it in towards this. Even with that, they doubled it. It's incredible. Definitely go here. They're so much better. So I didn't pay for any of this. This is all trade-in value. So I didn't even actually pay out of pocket with any of this. 3-month live gold, Xbox Battlefield 3 Premium Edition. I had Battlefield on my other Xbox, and I was a incredibly huge Battlefield 3 fan, so I decided to get Premium this time. For, what, $10 more, you get it brand new, and you get all the DLC. I mean, that's like the biggest deal ever, especially for me. I get the X12s brand new in the box. Not, you know, they're not obviously not going to be Astros, but for what I'm going to be using it for, they're pretty good. I mean, I used to use this right here, and this is also the original Xbox headset, the one that just comes with it, just a generic one. I used that for a while, so anything from that is a step up. I got the 250 gigabyte Elite. I mean, sorry, well, not Elite, Slim. This is actually used, guys. It looks new. That's another thing about eStarland. Their quality. Sorry about that. If the camera just moved. Their quality of the things that they sell and you trade in have to be really, they're strict about it, which is good because this is used. So I got this at a used price, where if I went down to GameStop, I would get this at a new price, and it's brand new. I mean, I haven't played it yet, but this thing is like pristine condition. I mean, look, if they wrap their cables up in plastic. I mean, those cables are really nice. They're not beat up or scratched or anything. I mean, even the controller, they wrapped in a wrap. And this is all used, guys. And this, I mean, there is no, I mean, I can't see through the plastic. I should take it off right now. It's kind of tight. I don't have a knife on me. Sorry, guys. But, and sorry if the camera just switched on you. But, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Oh, there's no scratches that I can see on this. I mean, this isn't like it's beat up kind of used. It's like mint condition, barely used it kind of used. So I'm really happy about that, guys. I mean, even look at this. Even the power cord is wrapped up in a wrap. I mean, and look, it's brand new looking. I mean, there's no dings at all. But basically, that's just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to review any of this stuff unless you guys want me to. Like, if you guys are curious, oh, what do the X12s sound and perform like? I can definitely hook you up with that. I don't know what they sound like, but when I try them out, I can hit you guys up with a review if you want. I mean, I can let you know how everything's going, but besides that, guys, this is really the end of the video. I just wanted to show you. I'll leave a link in the description of the place that I got all this stuff. I highly recommend the site. It's a great site. They're not scammers. It's really good, and it's really quick. Trade-ins take a little bit because they actually have to hand evaluate everything you send in, which means they physically check everything, plug it in, like clean it up, and then they put it on for sale. So the trade-in takes about a week, to be honest. But I probably got this in 2 days, so this shipped to me in 2 days. So it took me a week to trade my stuff in, but it took me only 2 days to get the stuff that I ordered. So it was fairly quick. But just wrapping this up around 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes. Alright, guys, this is just a review of this Xbox 360 gear that I got. Hope you enjoyed.